Welcome to Don Bosco College of Engineering. The Fatorda Salesian Society is a part of the Worldwide Society of Don Bosco, with our branches in over 100 countries in the world. Don Bosco College of Engineering, a leading institute, offers 4 different courses in engineering. The Department of Electronics and Telecommunication was established with the sole aim to evolve into a holistic learning hub. Since its commencement, the primary objective of the department has been to impart quality education, training and research at the undergraduate level in order to produce engineers of highest caliber. We have well-equipped labs in various domains like analog and digital electronics, instrumentation, communication engineering, robotics, microwave engineering, signal processing, electrical technology, etc. The Embedded System Lab, supported by Eduvance, Mumbai, provides value-added courses on latest technologies from Cyprus Semiconductors. eYantra Robotics Lab is a project hosted by IIT Bombay to spread education in robotics. Our students have their own robotics club, which serves as a platform to give shape to their innovative ideas. eYantra DBC robotic team topped the task-based training conducted by IIT Bombay with a Class A award. A PCB fabrication lab in collaboration with our incubation center, FIRE, has been set up for making prototype PCBs. We also undertake consultancy work in PCBs from startup companies. With a tremendous practical exposure, students undertake innovative and challenging projects in numerous domains. Our students have won laurels for their projects at state and national level. Some of our students have reached the grand finale of Smart India Hackathon. Projects have also received appreciation and funding from various reputed organizations. The strong background of working on projects has created an open platform for students to emerge as innovators or entrepreneurs of tomorrow. ETC department conducts rigorous training to prepare their students for aptitude tests, programming languages, and group discussions to enable them to get placed in some of the best companies in the country. Some of our students have been placed in core hardware companies like Sankalp Semiconductors, Siemens, and multinational software companies like IBM, TCS, Capgemini, Accenture, Wipro, Godrej, Tangential, to name a few. Besides academics, we also conduct numerous workshops, seminars, and educational tours in order to keep our students abreast with the latest technologies. Our department has an IEEE student branch, which organizes various events like hands-on workshops, outreach programs, hackathons, and educational tours. IEEE DBC student branch, WIE Affinity Group, has been set up to promote women engineers and scientists, thereby inspiring girls around the world to follow their academic interests to a career in engineering. IETE is a national apex professional body which works tirelessly towards the professional development of the students. DBEATS, an association which aims to promote the overall development of the students through various technical and co-curricular activities. To motivate students to work in the area of antenna design, the department has set up the Antenna Research Group. Parikrama, a student satellite club, aims to develop ground stations for satellite communication. To bridge the gap between industry and institute, we organize field trips to companies in and around the state. The department has MOUs with some reputed companies, which enables networking with industry professionals. DBC has set up a local chapter of NPTEL that provides an opportunity to earn a certificate from the IITs. We are also the remote center for IIRS ISRO courses. Our college is a nodal center for IIT Bombay for virtual labs, which serves as a platform to provide remote access to labs in various disciplines. Technova, a tech fest of ETC department, serves as a platform to compete with students from other institutes in the upcoming technical fields. Sports forms an integral part of our institute, which helps our students in their pursuit of a healthy and active lifestyle at college and beyond. The success stories of our alumni from around the globe speaks volumes. Welcome to DBCE ETC. This is the place to be.